I wash my hands before cooking. I wash my hands before cooking. I boil water for tea or coffee. I boil water for tea or coffee. I fry eggs. I fry eggs. I cut fruits for breakfast. I cut fruits for breakfast. I prepare breakfast for my family. I prepare breakfast for my family. I wash the dishes after eating. I wash the dishes after eating. I wipe the kitchen counter. I wipe the kitchen counter. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I take out the vegetables. I take out the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I cut onions and tomatoes. I cut onions and tomatoes. I cook rice and stew. I cook rice and stew. I stir the food carefully. I stir the food carefully. I taste the food to check the salt. I taste the food to check the salt. I serve the food on plates. I serve the food on plates. I clean the stove after cooking. I clean the stove after cooking. I wash the cooking pots. I wash the cooking pots. I sweep the kitchen floor. I sweep the kitchen floor. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I arrange the dishes in the cupboard. I arrange the dishes in the cupboard. I bake a cake. I bake a cake. I drink water in the kitchen. I drink water in the kitchen. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I use a knife for cutting. I use a knife for cutting.